today we're going to talk about aftermarket rims and specifically Volks Racing rims.
Hey everybody, I will be giving away the correction window stickers to one lucky subscriber every month, so please hit the subscribe button right away.
And how to identify an authentic Volks Racing rims. We have always been there, and I did it too. I had a couple of $100 and I wanted to buy a T37, and I ended up spending $600 on a set of T37s, and they were great. We all did it. We cheaped out and decided to go with an aftermarket replica rims, or there are a couple of other aftermarket rims which are actually pretty good on their own, but they're just not up to the standard when it comes to performance. Today I'm going to show you how to identify a Volks Racing rim. T37 from Volks Racing is the world's #1 copied rim ever. There's hundreds and hundreds of companies making replicas for them. So there are a couple of ways you can figure out if the T37s are real or not. One of the major things is price. An original set of T37s would cost you between $3,500 US, where an aftermarket will be a couple of hundred. And also you need to keep an eye on the markets on the rim. This rim that I have here, it's Volks Racing JTCC. So specifically on this rim, this is a sticker. Usually Volks Racing does not come with a sticker. On the T37 they would say Volks and Racing on two sides, and those letterings are engraved. They are not stickers. But on the GTC they are stickers, so that's how they came. This is a two-piece rim. If you look at the back, they are actually two-piece bolted rims. On the original Volks Racing rims, you're going to see Ray's engineering engraved and raised. You're going to see made in Japan stamped, and that's the serial number. On the other hand, watch out for these. 1, 2, 3, 4. These stickers. Especially this one. This is the one that will differentiate between a replica and an original rim. These are pretty universal sign for all Ray's rims. Why did I choose Ray's? In that price range, there's a lot of different options you can go for. You can go for an NK, Works, BBS, OJ, you name it. There are so many. Two reasons I went for Ray's. One, their motorsports history. Two, quality control. Ray's makes pretty much all the F1 racing wheels, so and they have been doing that from probably the 80s or something like that. And in terms of the manufacturing side of it, they are all made and sourced in Japan. Everything in a Ray's wheel is made and sourced in Japan. So if you look at the Ray's factory, the design and production are all under the same roof, so they can take care of their problems. Also, Ray's in Japan, they use a 10,000-ton press, which allows them to create beautiful rims which are very lightweight, functional, and strong. That's why I chose Ray's over anybody else. Anyway, stay tuned. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more awesome content.